Assalamualaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this rack in SolidWorks software. So at first I'm taking the new file. Okay, I'm selecting the MMGS. Go to the top plane. Extruder boss is selected. Do the center rectangle. Okay, go to the smart dimension. It will be 200 millimeters and it will be 80 millimeters. Okay, exit it, and it will be upwards 150 millimeters. Okay, done. Then I am going to the extrude card, click here, go to here, select the normal plane and go to the corner rectangle, sketch it. Okay, smart dimension is selected, determine it is 10 millimeters, and from here to here also 10 millimeters, and here to here also 10 millimeters. Okay, done. Then I'm going to the through all is selected. Okay, then extrude card is select again, click here, go to the here and select it, go to the sketch, click here, go to the smart dimension, and from here to here it will be 10 millimeters, and from here to here also 10 millimeters, and from here to here is also 10 millimeters. Exit it, then through all is selected. Okay, then go to the shell command, click here, another click, another click, and another click, and click to this part, click also to this part, and another click is here. Okay, done. It will be 1 millimeters and shell outward is selected. Okay, done. I am going to the top plane again, reference geometry selected, go to the plane, it will be a start from 100 millimeters. Okay, done. And go to the extruded boss and click here, then Ctrl 8 for normal plane and draw the corner rectangle. Okay, exit it, and it will be upwards 10 millimeters. Okay, then again the top plane selected, go to the reference geometry, and it will be a start from 50 millimeters. Sorry, again go to the reference geometry, start from 50 millimeters. Okay, then extrude boss selected, Ctrl 8, corner rectangle is taken and draw it. Okay, exit it, and it will be upwards from 10 millimeters. Okay, done. Then go